Alright guys, so exciting times. The roof rack's finally arrived and I've already been modifying. So, shower tent. This is today's video. Basically I'm just going to show you how I've set it up like this to maximise the roof rack space. All it is on a little gas strut and a hinge mechanism. You've got a little locking pin there so it doesn't come loose. And that's it, all set up, ready to roll. And unzip, peg out, and you haven't wasted any roof rack space. So I'm kind of happy with how this has turned out. Hopefully you are too. Let's get to it. G'day guys, it's finally arrived. Finally got the roof rack on our Opus. First thing we've noticed straight away is the weight is obviously off center because of the hinge setup, and the trailer's already sagging to one side, so I'll be looking at upgraded coils pretty shortly. I'm very OCD of how things sit, and I'm not quite happy with that. But more importantly, on today's video we'll be looking at mounting my shower awning. So I'm going to be mounting it on the back of the roof rack here, so that when it folds up I'm going to have it on a gas strut so that it does this and then sets up. So I'm just going to lift this roof rack up now and start taking some measurements. Alright guys, so that's how it's roughly going to look. I turned my camera off for a bit because it was actually making my brain hurt trying to get this measurement right for the gas strut. But I'm a bit worried I'm going to pull it down and shoot it off, but I have paint penned it now. So obviously that's full extension. So that's how it'll sit when you unclip it. And then when you pack it up, it'll come down. And all I need to do is make up something here to lock it into this place. And then it'll just be a matter of unhinging it and letting it pop up. Now the reason I'm doing it like this is so that I have all of the roof rack still free. Just going to mount it all up now and take it for a proper test run and make sure it's all sturdy. So it actually, every time I do it, it makes me more excited. But what I'm going to do is a tiny little plate here, which comes out of touch. I'm going to put a bolt across long ways, and I'm going to just go to Bunnings and buy a gate lock. You know, the ones that you push into and it locks. And then that's what's going to hold it into place to stop it vibrating. And I think that's going to work out very, very nicely. But look at that. I'll give you one more test run. Like I bought one. Pretty chuffed with that. Happy with that, Boo?
Yep.
Happy with that, babies? No. Right, so here's what I've come up with the gate latch scenario. So I had to go to Bunnings again. It's always dangerous going to Bunnings because I never leave there without spending at least $100 on a quiet day. There's so many goodies. Right, so that's the little bracket. It's better. That's the little bracket made up. Nothing flash, just a simple gate lock. And then yeah, just take screwed a gate lock hinge in here, so that when it closes, it just locks into place. And then once it is locked into place, we'll just be using split pins so that it can't vibrate loose. This trip will be a true test to see if this is actually going to be a strong enough setup. We're obviously still going to put washers and stuff inside of here to lock it all up properly, but it's, yeah, for now we'll see how it goes. Obviously the corrugation will be the true test. Fingers crossed. Right, that's it all fitted up, guys, with the latch and everything. She locks in nice and sturdy. What I'll do now is I'll run through the measurements for you if you do want to do this mod yourself. So this is a 535mm long gas strut, 200 N rating, spacings from, so this first measurement is 425mm from the top of the King's awning, and then from the top of the King's awning to the second, the gas strut mount, 585mm, and then from the top joint, from this bolt to that top joint, 350mm, from this bolt, from this joint to that knuckle, 175mm. They're just fixed in with Tech screws, feel solid as. This is a 75mm long M8 bolt, but if I was to do it again, I'd probably go like a 90 or 100mm long bolt, just so that it clears this rack a bit better when you close it up. But the one thing I do like about it being quite short is it's actually stopping it from vibrating, and that's how it all sets up there. I'm a big fan of this so far because I've wasted no roof rack space. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one, which will be tilting solar panel mount.